What's going on, everybody? It's been a hot minute. I've been off the radar for a little while. I have to spend some time with my beautiful daughter, my beautiful fiance. I've been looking into how am I gonna fix this bike with this leak right here. Let me do a little B-roll so you can get to see what I'm talking about. Oh my God, I have so many phones everywhere. So if anybody knows about this bolt, so I got this from Amazon. This bolt right here. And of course it doesn't fit here. It's too small. But if you could see how stripped that bolt is, and it's been leaking some oil, that's the only thing that I'm gonna have to change. And I see right under the little mesh down there is a little bit of leak, but I think it's just the bolt passing on the oils elsewhere. And I mean, it's doing pretty good. I cleaned the carburetor already. I am going to order new chains. As you can see, these chains are very rusty. I was sitting outside for a little while, but we're gonna get some riding in soon. It still turns on and everything. It's doing pretty good. The choke, everything. But yeah, this is what I've been dealing with. I'm trying to think about what I've been searching it online, but if anybody knows about that small bolt, I think it's actually a 10mm bolt. We'll see. But we're gonna get a ride in the Cadillac for now. It's a smooth ride. Oh, if you guys see the way I have to adjust this car seat just so I could make a video on the GoPro, you guys will be laughing. I look like a leprechaun. For the new subscribers, and for the subscribers that left, and for the subscribers that stayed, I truly appreciate you staying. Thank you very much. You know, you guys were showing me the true support. That means a lot to me. You know, it tells me that you're here for my personality, not because of the Can-Am Spyder F3, which is, unfortunately, I had to get rid of it because of life decisions. You know, you need to consolidate your priorities and how much fun can you have at the same time. You can't always choose the toys instead of having fun with your family. You know, I truly love spending time with my daughter, my beautiful woman, my beautiful fiance. Woman and fiance combined together. She's an amazing person. I'm trying to get her into one of the videos. She doesn't like to be in a video. She doesn't want to be a superstar yet. But yes, soon I need to, off topic, I gotta put my family out there so you guys know what I'm doing in my off time. I've been trying to fix the bike. As you've seen, the strip bolt, I'm trying to fix that bike as soon as possible. I need to ride. I need to get my spirit back in tune. If you guys know anybody about what bolt is the one that goes on the frame, like you see in the video at the beginning of the video, this video, if you know what bolt is, I think it's a 10mm. I'm not sure. I've been trying to search that online. Can't really find anything. I'm not gonna try to. I already called the dealer, and the guy said that it's the same bolt that is on the bottom of the frame, which is nope, it's not it. I did my checks, and according to what I've been checking, it's not the same bolt. And I'm not gonna spend more money than I have to. And I need to just change the chain. Maybe I'm gonna change the sprockets as well, might as well. And I'm gonna ride, and I don't care if it's snowing. I am gonna get a ride in. Again, stay tuned. I have a Instagram that I made, that I have a video that I did that I didn't think it was gonna get a lot of view, and it has like 9,000 views on my Instagram. So follow me on that. Is Armani, ARMANI _ Adon, ADON. I will be posting here so you could check it out, and I will be making a lot of more contents. And you know how it is, I gotta come to the gym. This is my temple. I love coming here. And with that being said, guys, even if I'm in the car, I have to say, stay safe at all times. Now I am going to find a parking spot where I could park away from everybody. Whoa. The GoPro just hit the roof of my car. Away from everybody. What you're gonna see, there's always somebody that parks right next to me. Doesn't that get you so mad? Until next time, guys.